Hey everyone, welcome to DevSphere, where we break down programming concepts into bite-sized, easy to understand pieces. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to brush up on your skills, you are in the right place. Today we're diving into the foundation of programming with one of the most popular languages out there, which is Python. By the end of this video, you'll know what Python is, why it's widely used, and why it might be the perfect language for you to start with. Right, let's get down to it. So what exactly is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language. Let me break it down a little bit. High level means it's designed to be easy for humans to read and write. Unlike low-level languages like C or assembly, Python reads almost like plain English. For example, take a look at this code snippet right here. As you can see, it is just plain English. It's very simple to read and actually understand. Don't worry if you don't catch it yet. You will get to that point where you fully understand this code snippet right here. So because Python reads almost like plain English, it makes it super beginner friendly. And that's why we go with Python. Right, another word I mentioned is that it's an interpreted programming language. What does that mean? It means that you don't need to compile your code before running it. You can write Python script, hit run, and see the results instantly. It makes it great for quick prototyping and testing ideas. So over the years, Python has grown into one of the most popular programming languages in the world, and it is used for everything from web development to data science, machine learning, and even game development. Now, you might be wondering, why Python? What makes it so special? Well, here's a few reasons why Python stands out. Number one, it is beginner friendly. Python syntax is clean and straightforward. You don't need to worry about complex rules and confusing symbols, which makes it great for a first language for programmers. Number two, it is versatile. You can use it for almost anything: building websites, analyzing data, automating tasks, creating games, and even working with artificial intelligence. Number three, the Python community. Because Python is so popular, there's a massive community of developers out there. That means tons of free tutorials, forums, libraries to help you learn and solve problems. Number four, in-demand skill. So Python is one of the most sought after skills in the job market currently. So whether you're looking to start a career in tech, automate some boring tasks, or just explore the world of programming, Python is a fantastic place to start. Alright, now that you know what Python is and why it's so popular, let's take a closer look at how it works. In the next part of the videos, we'll dive into some basic Python concepts and write our first few lines of code. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be writing your own Python programs in no time. So, what are you waiting for? I'll see you on the next one.